basic way to start dribbling is just small distance, go right, left with your right and then with left leg as well. Go just that. So you can do here on the spot. Outside, inside, outside, inside. So you're not letting the ball go out of control. Okay? So right, left, then go left, right, inside, outside. This is how to make sure that the ball is under control and also you're getting the speed. So your body is also moving. Then you make a turn. Okay, just the turn as well. So you are also making a turn. Make it inside as well. Do only with right leg and strong leg first. So you do one outside turn, then you go one inside turn. So go and make it outside turn. So this is part of your dribbling and also control.